Hello there, welcome to the Ask Sanjeev Mishra video series. Today's question is, why do you recommend WordPress when people are saying it's not secure? You'll find a lot of people saying that WordPress is not secure, there are vulnerabilities and people will hack your website easily, right? You'll find a lot of people. But I'm using WordPress since last 10 years and WordPress is now 15 years old. So it's a big platform, more than 30% market share is there. So out of 10 websites, you have 3 websites running on WordPress. So a lot of people are using WordPress. I strongly recommend WordPress because it's a user-friendly platform. It's very easy to use. Like any other platform, WordPress is also having some vulnerabilities, and WordPress team or the community is always trying to fix the issues, security loopholes. But the main point is why people are facing security issues. You need to find it out. One of my website was hacked recently and we fixed the issues. The issue was not with WordPress. The issue was with hosting. The issue was with the way we have kept our folders. So with WordPress or any other platform which are self-hosted, right? Self-hosted means you have the software. Now it's your responsibility to find the hosting server and install that software and keep it. Now in that responsibility, if you are not aware about permission and folder access issues and all those things, then the life is going to become difficult. And that is true for any platform. Now with WordPress, you have a very nice folder structure inside that. Very nice folder structure. You have WP admin, WP content, WP includes and other files. Now in WP content folder, your plugin and themes are there, right? All the plugins and themes are there inside WP content. And if you upload an image, media files, that is also going inside WP content. So you need to make sure you are having limited access, and the access is just for the user who is supposed to upload the content, not to everybody. So you need to read about folder access. You need to read about chmod access or 777 or 755, what should be the access level. You need to know about these things. Otherwise, people will install a code, people will copy a code inside your WP content, and that is going to create a problem. So WordPress itself is a very secure system. It's a very secure CMS where they are working day and night to fix all the issues which are there. Thousands of developers are using WordPress. Thousands of hackers are also using WordPress. They are seeing the loopholes and they are notifying to the community that this issue is there, and the community is responsible for fixing it. And every time WordPress picks a manager who is responsible for all the fixes and is monitoring all the fixes, whether it is going in this version or not. If there is any urgent fix which is required, they release a version or sub version quickly. That is why you have 4.9.5, 4.9.6, right? There are 4.9.3 and 4. All these are security fixes. So WordPress is taking care of security. The problem is not with WordPress. The problem is with your hosting server and folder. Whether you have a secured server, whether you have folders with proper access level, that you should check. Otherwise, WordPress is a very user-friendly platform where you can create, or anybody can create websites, any kind of websites, whether it is e-commerce or event site or management site or booking site, any kind of website you can create over there and you don't have to pay anybody. So that is why I always recommend you have 50,000 plugins, 10,000 themes and designs. So what exactly you want there? You have all these things available for free. That is why I recommend WordPress to everybody. WordPress itself is very much secure. The only problem is with your hosting account and folders, how the folders are kept and what kind of access levels you have provided over there. Okay. So you can talk to your hosting provider about the security of your folders and about the access levels. There are some plugins to scan your security vulnerability. WordFence is a very good plugin which is available for scanning. You can use it. And there are other support and help available online. So that is why I recommend WordPress. It is having a large community. It is very much secure. Go and fix your hosting issues. So if you like this video, click on the like button, share this video with people who are planning to start website on WordPress or who are having confusion about WordPress and any other platform. Comment on this video if you are using WordPress. If you have any questions related to WordPress, you can ask in comment area. Looking forward to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.